So we've talked about what defines psychological safety and what does safety look like in action. And what we want to look at now is what are some of the myths around psychological safety and how can we debunk these myths? So, psychological safety, sometimes people think it's about being nice, it's about everyone getting along at all times and having no conflict or disagreements. And that is so far from the truth. So, Amy Edmondson expands on some of the misconceptions around psychological safety. And she makes the point that safety is and comfort are not synonymous. So safety isn't about always being comfortable and everything feeling comfortable.